everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to add students to your Google Classroom. Getting your students into your digital room is quick, and there are two very easy ways to make it happen. First, look at your mainstream page right inside your open classroom. Next, find the unique class code located right underneath your main class name banner. Now choose one of these two step-by-step methods to get your students to join. Method 1. Displaying the class code. First, if your students are live in front of you or in a video call, click the small display square icon next to the code to blow it up full screen. You may tell your students to type the exact code into the Join Class box on their own dashboard. As for method 2, sending a direct email invite. First, click on the People tab located at the very top of your classroom window. Next, look for Students section and click the Invite Students icon, which looks like a person with a plus sign. Then start typing in your student's name or email address. Select them from your directory and click the blue Invite button. And that's it. Thanks for watching.